Hi guys, right, remember this? It's a Sinclair 128 Plus. What I'm going to do is, because remember if it was a bust, the keyboard wasn't responding. Well, I've bought one of these, which is a new keyboard membrane. I'm going to replace that one and see if we can get this thing working. So here goes. So first things first, we'll take the back off. So 2 screws here, 3 screws this side I think. Yeah. Middle one's a flat one here. One in the middle. And one on the top. Got any more? No. And that's just a case of lifting. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Definitely the keyboard. Oh, it's left. Keyboard's been well and truly bent on that one, but it's left the membrane behind. Oh, rock solid on that one. There we go. So see if there you go. So as you can see, the membrane was chopped in two, look, left in the thing, so it had been sliced off altogether. So we're going to change the membrane on the keyboard. There we go. So we'll shift this out of the way. Get the membrane here, like so, and then we will sort this out. So it's a case of, there's no hold on that one, which there should be, but hey ho. Maybe that's one reason why it bust. I'll have to see if I can get another one. But it looks like that one's got some cracks in it. So we'll take all the screws out of the back plate. Right, just taking the back plate off. Just give the once over. That looks okay. It does look okay, that does. And there's the old membrane on the back plate, so you just peel that off, like so. Sorted. Now that's just had it. There's no way could fix that at all. It's got a crack on the line as well. So I'll put the new one on. So it's a simple case of getting the new one and putting it in place. Now there's location holes on here. There you go. There's one there, and one here, and there to locate it perfectly back on. And then you've got location holes on the back plate as well. So it's just a case of just popping it on. There you go. And all the screw holes should line up. So if you've got the back plate on wrong, it won't. So I'll just drop that there, and we'll screw everything back together. So I'm lifting the keyboard up because the back plate needs to be securely put on it, and I'll tip it that way so you can see. And then I'm just starting with the centre screw, just screwing it in but not tightening it up, and this centre screw, and then I'm going to work my way out to make sure that the membrane doesn't have any kinks on it. So screw there, screw there, screw there, screw there, and then we do the far reaches, that one, that one, that one, and that one. So just give them a quick tighten up. There we go. Then we just put this on. So put that on there like that to pull it, make sure it doesn't snag. Screws dropped. There we go. Alright. So push that down and push that on top of it. There we go. Make sure there's plenty of slack so it doesn't damage it. Put that in. Put that in. Now there should have been one there, but there isn't. So bring this down, bring the computer back, put the feet back in position, and put them back in position, because they're the springs for the feet. And then get the right way around, and then we put this into this socket here, and it's just a firm push, nothing spectacular. And we put this one into that socket there. There we go. And then just slowly drop it back on. There we go. Hold it together. And then it's just a case of putting everything back. So this was the screw that came out there. That's that one. And then we've got this one here. And then 3 at this side, with the centre one being the flathead. And then the last 2 on this side, but there was a third, but there was only 2 screws in it because there's one in the middle flathead's missing in the middle. Oh well. Right, that's it. Feels like it's okay. Just make sure the feet still work. Yes, they do. So, shall we try it? Shall we try it? I'll see you in a minute. Take care. Right then. I've plugged it in and we're going to see, because that was the old membrane, if you remember, that I've just pulled out, and I put a brand new one in, and we're going to see if it works. So I'm going to plug it in. There we go. So we've got a picture on the telly, which is what we had before, and then the difference was whether we could type. So here goes. So can I scroll up and down? No. It looks like it could be something a bit more sinister than that. Oh. Oh dear. Let's reset just in case. Nope. Right. Gonna have another look this time at the motherboard to see if there's anything there. Right, I'll be back in a minute. Hello. As you could see, the video finished abruptly. That was partly my fault. After it didn't work for the first time, I took it to bits again and set up the camera and everything, and forgot to switch it on, so I didn't record it, and so I was then really annoyed with myself because I had not recorded it. But then I tried it again, still nothing, and I did it a third time, but I wasn't going to record it because it would have caused an issue, and it still didn't work. So it's going to be sent off. I found a guy on eBay that fixes Spectrums. He's got a YouTube channel, and so I'm going to send them off to him, and when they come back I'll do another video, hopefully with them working. So what's going to get fixed is, of course, the 128, because that one bust, that, as you know. But the other one is the remember the 2A, where as soon as you switched it on and went into 128 mode, as soon as you hit a key, it just went back to 48k mode and couldn't do 128. So the guy's doing both for me, and he says it'll be about 4 weeks, so hopefully it won't be that too long. So I'm going to package them up and send them off, and hopefully we'll have a video of them working. Alright, I'll see you, well, next time, I suppose. Yeah. But if you like the video, please click that like button. If you don't like it, fine, hit the dislike button. Always leave a comment, because it's the only way I can interact with you guys. And please, if you could find yourself, please become a patron of mine, which is helping me fund some of the technology that I have to replace. And I'm currently replacing the camera because the other one's burst. Right then, I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.